Okay, what we're going to do today is we are going to work on mixing tints. Now, tints, what it is one color mixed with white. So when we talk about tints of a color, we are talking about light blue, we're talking about pink, anything that's like a pastel color, that would be a tint of a color. So I've chosen blue. You can pick whatever color you want. Darker colors might work a little bit better, but if you picked a lighter one, it'll still work the same. And what we're going to do first is on the far left here, I'm going to paint this in blue. Do the best that you can to keep it neat. Try and stay inside the lines as best as you can. Take your time, do a nice job. I'm going to go kind of quick so you guys will have a chance to actually work on your project. I'm going to clean my brush out. Remember, you're just dabbing it with the paper towel. And then the next thing is I'm going to paint white over here. Okay. Now anytime we go to do these, what you're doing is you're going to take whatever you have here on the left and you're going to add more of the color on the right to it. So I'm going to take some blue. I'm going to mix like 3 or 4 brushfuls over here. I'm going to just take a brush full of white and mix it in. And it's not going to do a whole lot. So what you could do here is put a little brush beside it. If it didn't change it very much, then maybe add some more white. Okay, then paint it beside it. The colors will dry a little darker than what they actually might seem. I'm going to go quickly here. Okay, then I'm going to take another brush full, mix it in. Maybe another one. Blue's a dark color, so to get it to change takes a lot. And paint it here. What we're looking for is that every time you go to paint this in, you see a change in the color. And once again, you should be doing a nicer job staying inside the lines than what I'm doing here. Take another brush full, mix it in, paint it here. Okay, what we don't want to happen, kind of like what happened here, is that they look the same side by side. So maybe this time, stick with a couple brushes and move it over. And what you should be noticing as you're adding the white to it, it gets closer to white. If you make a mistake, you can always go back in and remix it. Okay. Then you can rinse your brush out and clean up your palette if you're done at this point.